Veronica, if you just found out that you were expecting and looking to start on your mortgage journey, how does that impact the whole process?
Well, I suppose each bank has their own criteria on where they are in terms of pregnancy. But for the most part, as long as you can get a letter from your employer saying that you are returning to on the same terms and conditions as before you went out on maternity leave, then it won't really impact your mortgage. Now, each bank has their different criteria, so some banks will allow you to draw down while out on maternity leave. Other banks will want you to be back at work, get a pay slip, and then you're able to draw down. So I suppose it really depends on other factors as well. So what the bank will take into account is like one child really won't make massive difference to borrowing power. However, if there's a huge childcare bill, then it will make an impact. So when the bank is looking at that, they will look at the impact of childcare. So if Nana and Granddad are going to mind the baby for you, one child won't really make an impact. If you're public sector, you're going to get paid through it, or even some large multinational companies pay in full through the maternity break, so it won't make any impact there. If you're private sector and your employer don't, you only get the statutory payment every week, then as long as you will have the letter to say that you're returning on the same terms and conditions, the bank will make a call on it. Some of the banks, as I said, won't stop the mortgage. Other banks will. So I would advise contact the broker today, ask them how it is going to impact you, and they'll be best suited to guide you of which bank suits your need, depending on, like, you could have 9 months there, or you might be due in a couple of weeks. Where you are in terms of the pregnancy and where you are in terms of your mortgage journey, a broker would be best advised.